Hey folks, iPhone 12 Pro. Just got it fresh out of the store. Just got delivered. I think it still has the plastics on it. I'm just gonna do a quick open up right there. Get rid of the plastics. Got the Pacific Blue. Very easy to open. The box has not much in it this time. You have to use that lightning cable. There's no charger, as you know. Apple did not include any chargers in there. Very simple packaging, super easy to open. Let's peel this off. Voila. 12. Feels pretty good. 10 enough. And more reviews coming up. Actually, I'm going to compare this with the iPhone 11 Pro. Yeah, I'm going to put them side to side, and you can see the sizes and everything. This was just a quick unboxing. You can use your older chargers to charge it from the wall, or you can get that mag charger if you wanted to. But Apple did a good job on this. Power, power, power. There you go. Alright. That's it. 12 Pro. Fingerprints all over it. I'm loving it already.